10 Home Remedies for Hiccups. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle that helps you breathe, contracts involuntarily. Though they are not harmful, persistent hiccups can be frustrating and uncomfortable, and sometimes even cause a great deal of pain. Fortunately, there are some simple home remedies that can help you get rid of hiccups quickly. Here are 10 home remedies for hiccups. 1. Breathe into a paper bag. By exhaling and inhaling into a paper bag, you increase the level of carbon dioxide in your blood, which can help to relax the diaphragm muscles and relieve hiccups. Simply place a small paper or plastic bag over your mouth and nose, making sure not to cover them completely, and take slow deep breaths for 30 seconds or so. This should be enough time for the increased carbon dioxide levels to have an effect and hopefully stop the hiccups. Be sure to stop before you start feeling lightheaded. 2. Drink a glass of water quickly. The act of gulping down water stimulates the vagus nerve, which runs from the brain to the abdomen, and helps to interrupt the hiccup cycle. To maximize the effectiveness of this remedy, the water should be consumed quickly and in one go. 3. Gargle with water. Gargling with water can also help stimulate the vagus nerve and reduce the frequency of hiccups. Simply fill a glass with room temperature water, take a big sip, and tilt your head back slightly. Gargle the water for 10 to 15 seconds, then swallow. Repeat until the hiccups subside. 4. Place sugar on your tongue. The sweetness of the sugar helps to overstimulate the nerve endings responsible for triggering hiccups, thereby creating a kind of distraction that can break the cycle. Just take a spoonful of sugar and hold it on your tongue until it dissolves completely. 5. Hold your breath. To do this, take a deep breath and hold it for as long as possible. This helps to increase the levels of carbon dioxide in your blood, which in turn helps to regulate the diaphragm muscle that causes the hiccups. After holding your breath, slowly exhale and repeat the process if necessary. 6. Ginger. Ginger contains compounds that help to relax the diaphragm, which can reduce the frequency and intensity of hiccups. One option is to chew on a small piece of fresh ginger root when you feel a hiccup coming on. Alternatively, you could try drinking ginger tea, which can be made by steeping sliced ginger in hot water for several minutes before straining and drinking. Another option is to mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 2 teaspoons of ginger juice and consume slowly. 7. Bite a slice of lemon. The acidity in the lemon stimulates the nerves in your throat, which can help interrupt the hiccup reflex. To try this remedy, simply take a slice of fresh lemon and bite into it as you normally would when eating fruit. Try to hold the juice in your mouth for a few seconds before swallowing it down. If this doesn't work, repeat the process again until your hiccups subside. 8. Peanut butter. The sticky texture of the peanut butter helps to stimulate the nerves responsible for swallowing and breathing, which can interfere with hiccuping. Simply take a spoonful of peanut butter and let it melt slowly in your mouth. You should feel relief within a couple of minutes. 9. Honey. Honey has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries and is known to be effective in treating hiccups. It helps soothe the nerves that cause the diaphragm to contract involuntarily, which leads to hiccups. Simply take a tablespoon of honey and swallow it slowly, allowing it to coat your throat. The sweetness of honey also helps stimulate the vagus nerve, which helps control the diaphragm muscle and eventually stops the hiccups. For best results, use pure and natural honey and repeat as necessary until your hiccups subside. 10. Sitting down and leaning forward on your knees. One effective home remedy to ease hiccups is to sit down and lean forward on your knees. This position can help increase the pressure in your chest cavity, thus reducing the spasm of your diaphragm muscle. Additionally, taking slow, deep breaths while in this posture can also aid in relaxing the diaphragm and eliminating hiccups. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.